So we've done 3 manoeuvres, we've got 1 manoeuvre to go and possibly a merge stop. We'll see how we fix time for that one. So the final one's going to be park on the right. They're not going to pull you over and tell you in advance. You'll be driving along the road and they were saying to you something like, ahead of you, I want you to pick a safe spot that's convenient and legal to park on the right. So once we drive in, I'll pick a road to do it on. They'll give you plenty of time, and there's usually 2 or 3 spaces to get it in.
Right, okay.
When you're ready, drive on, it's safe. So yeah, ahead of us, I want to park on the right where it's convenient and safe and legal.
Right, okay.
And then once you reverse back 2 car lengths, keep yourself reasonably close to the curb, please, Jake. That'll do, thank you. And then rejoin the left where it's safe to do so. Yourself up properly, get yourself tucked in.
Yeah.
Secure the car. So what happened at the end then? Did you start rolling?
I think I did. I think I started going backwards, and then I was like, no, give it a bit of power, and then yeah.
But what can move you forward? Not power, is it? It's the biting point, isn't it? So just handbrake next time.
Handbrake.
And that'll solve the problem, because the manoeuvre was fine. You know, it wasn't perfectly straight, but you sorted it out going backwards.
Well, I was a bit snaking down the road.
Yeah, but I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect, as long as it's kept reasonable.
Right,
I mean,
okay.
you won't like going everywhere, just a little tweaking to try and keep yourself, because as you stopped, the back was starting sticking out, wasn't it?
Mm.
So if you would have gone forward a bit more, you'd have been parallel even better.
Right, okay.
Right, so it wasn't a perfect one, and you'll probably get a fault moving off at the end there for accelerator, or maybe control because it's slightly rolled in there.
Yeah, yeah.
But handbrake will sort that problem out, won't it?
Oh yeah, go handbrake and then go on.
If you've enjoyed Jake, then fantastic, and please leave a comment. I'm sure we'll read them and put comments on that ourselves. And watch out for the next video next time.